observe that time we are using such kinds of words like a do, does, did, or don't. So observe in this sentence, there are no helping verbs. So they are using do. Okay, I never drink tea. Do I ever drink tea? Then the question mark. Okay. Now, let me see the next rule. What is the next rule? The next rule is if you find in the sentence everybody, everyone, all. One of the example we have everybody wishes to be happy. Everybody wishes to be a happy person. Okay, now this we have to be converted into a negative interrogative. Why negative interrogative? Because in this sentence all the things are positive. Okay, so it can be replaced by who plus don't, or you can use don't, doesn't, didn't, or you can use don't, doesn't, didn't. First will come who, then you can use don't, doesn't, didn't. Okay, as per the your sentence convenience, you have to use the words. All right, now see our result is what? See, our result is what? What is our answer? What we'll get? Who doesn't wish to be happy? Here will come the full stop. Okay, here will come the full stop. Who doesn't wish to be a happy? Okay, so if the sentence you will find everybody, everyone, all. If you convert it, because all the sentence are positive, if you convert it into interrogative, first you have to use who. First you have to use who. Now, for example, if I frame one sentence that everyone like everyone, because we have the another example that is everyone. Everyone like to go the party. Once again, let me use the pen. Everyone like to go to the party. Like to go to the party. Everyone like to go to the party. Okay. Now this is the positive sentence. Okay, now this we have to convert it into a interrogative sentence, that is a negative sentence. So first what we have to use, first what I have to use, who doesn't like to go to the party? Okay, that everyone this word you have to replace with who, you have to replace with who doesn't like to go to the party? Okay, so this way you can make the sentences. All right. Now let us see the next sentence. The next is that every plus noun. If you find in the sentence every plus noun, noun that means the name of the person, place, animal, things, or whatever. We have the sentence here, every man wishes to be happy. Every man wishes to be happy. Now this sentence is also a positive sentence. Okay, now this every man you have to convert it, this every you have to convert it, is there any? That is replaced by is there any plus noun plus who. Okay, let me show you. Now the every, instead of every, we are using is there any. Okay, that noun. What is the noun here? Man. Okay, then we are using who. We are adding here who. And according to our sentence convenience, we are using doesn't. So is there every man who doesn't wish to be happy? Then a full stop. Okay, this is the next method. Students, this rule you have to remember. This rule you have to remember. If you remember the rule that which words we have to replace by which another word, then only you can make a sentence very easily. Okay, now let us see the next example. Let us see the next sentence, that is nobody, no one, none. Now nobody, no one, none, this is a negative sentence. This is the negative sentence. These are the negative words. Let us see the sentence, nobody understand me better than you. Nobody understand me better than you. Now this nobody word we have to replace by who? We have to replace by who? We have to replace by who? Now let us see what will be the result. We have to cut the nobody and insist of nobody. We have to cut the nobody, insist of nobody. We are using who. Who understand me better than you? Okay, so who understand me better than you? Because this all are the words are the negative. So if the sentence is negative, we have to convert it into a positive, affirmative interrogative. Whenever you have to convert it for affirmative interrogative, so that time you have to use who. So that means this all the negative word. If you find in a sentence nobody, no one, none, so this you have to replace by who. आप who से उसको replace करोगे, and then you have to be right rest all the sentence according to your, according to the convenience sentence, like who understand me better than you, then after the full stop. Okay. Okay, now when they are converting the sentence without changing the basic meaning, without changing the basic meaning. Okay, now see the what is the meaning of this sentence? Nobody understand me better than you. Okay, now who understand me better than you? Now both the sentence formation is different. This is a negative sentence and this is a affirmative interrogative sentence, but their basic meaning are same. So this thing also you have to do, students, whatever the basic things, whatever the basic things the are there, the basic meaning of the sentence, that should not be changed. I hope it is clear to all. Now let us see the next. There is no. Now there is no, that is also a negative sentence. That is also considered as a negative. There is no use of this law. There is no use of this law. We have another, there is no man happier than him. Okay. Now, what are the formula? Which words we have to replace by is there any? Now, if there is no, instead of this, we will use is there any. Okay, and who we will use for the person. If the noun name of the person is mentioned in the sentence, we have to use who. And what we have to use for the thing. What we have to use for the things. Now, just see the sentences. Sentences is what? That there is no use of this law. There is no use of this law. Now we have to convert it this, and what we have to write in two ways you can write. In two ways you can write as the examples are given over there. What is the use of this law? What is the use of this law? What? Okay, because here the person, we are not talking about the person. Okay, this is just a real fact that what is the use of this law. So what is this written over them? Okay, now this next sentence. Is there any use of this law? Now, while cut this, there is no, we are using is there any. While cut, there is no, we will use is there any. Is there any use of this law? Is there any use of this law? Okay, so this is a sentence formation. Now this is negative. We are converted into affirmative interrogative. So there is a two ways that you can use. You can use what also, and is there any also. Okay, what we are using when we are talking about the things or the other situation. If you are talking about the person, at that time we have to use who. Okay, as see the second next example. There is no man. There is no man happier than him. Okay. Now, there is, we have to be replaced by is there any? And if the man is mentioned there, if the person is mentioned there, so what we have to write? We have to write who. We have to replace by who. So there are also two examples. Who is happier than him? Who is happier than him? Who is mentioned over there? Because we are talking about man. And next example is there any man happier than him? Is there? Is there is no is replaced by is there any man happier than him? Okay. So these are the some rules that you have to keep in your mind. This both the rules you have to keep in your mind. This rules, that words which replaced by this all the words, which is replaced this all the words. Okay, these are the examples which we have, students. These are the examples which we have, students, to make you much better understand that how should we make our sentences. Okay, for solving for solving the assertive to interrogative, first you should be know the rules. Okay, we have more rules are there. Okay, it is not a short topic. And after that we have the imperative to assertive also. We have the imperative to assertive also. But let me complete first assertive to interrogative. Now, it is no. Now, if you find in a sentence, it is no. That means it is no use of copying in the exam. Okay. So, it is no, it is replaced by is there any or why? Is there any or why? Let me have, let me see the sentence. Is there any use of copying in the exam? Okay. It is no, we are replacing by is there any? Any use of copying in the exam? And next step, why copy in the exam? Why copy in the exam? This is the second example. This is the second example. Okay. Now, if you find it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Now this we have to convert it with or what though and does. What though and does. Okay. This we have to write what though and does. So what we have to write here, it doesn't matter if you fail in exam. It doesn't matter if you fail in exam. Okay, now it is the negative sentence. Instead of this, we have to replace by what though. What though if you fail in exam? What though if you fail in exam? Now the second is, does it matter if you fail in exam? Okay, it doesn't matter. Insist we are using does it matter if you fail in exam? What though if you fail in exam? Students, we are using such kind of relevant words because here we are converted into interrogative. अब आपको सेंटेंस इंट्रोगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स ही यूज करने हैं विच इज यूटिलाइज टू मेक अ नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव और affirmative इंट्रोगेटिव. Now we will have the next also, that is nothing. If you find in a sentence, see in a sentence what is written over there. Next, nothing. Nothing can prevent me. Nothing can prevent me. Prevent means stop. Nothing can prevent me. Now, this nothing we have to replace by anything. So, can anything stop me? So, what what will be the my sentence? Can anything stop me? Because this nothing, it's a negative word. We have to convert it into an affirmative interrogative. So that's the reason we are using anything. Nothing can prevent me. Can anything stop me? Nothing can pursue me. Can anything pursue me? Nothing can give me. Can anything give me? Okay. So nothing can replace by anything. Okay. This is a simple one. Now last. Last is it what? That nothing but. If the two words, nothing and but, if comes in a one sentence. Sir, see, this is the example. Life is nothing but hell. Okay, now this two word nothing and but comes into one sentence. Life is nothing but hell. Okay, so this nothing but you have to replace by but what and but. You have to replace what and but. What is life but hell? What is life but hell? Okay, then after the question mark. Okay, students, when you converted the sentence into a interrogative, जब आप interrogative में convert करोगे, so mostly you have to be you have to be noticed you are using mostly why, what, who. Okay, why, what, who, this kind of words you have to be used because it is shows this is the WH questions, right? And here we are asking the questions. All right. Okay, so students, what you have to do, nothing but if you find in one sentence, that is replaced by what? But. Life is nothing but hell. What is life but hell? Okay, students. So here, student, till here we have converted, we have seen the rules about the assertive to interrogative. These are the rules which is replaced by these words. Here we have the examples. Okay, that if the affirmative sentence is there, that we should convert it into negative interrogative. If the negative sentence we have, that we should convert it into a affirmative interrogative. Okay, and these are the rules that you have to keep in your mind. Then only you are able to write the sentences. We have next part also, that is the imperative to assertive, that we will see in a next lecture.